Assalamu alaikum, dear Arabic learners. I welcome you to my Quranic Arabic Simplified course. I have shortened the Madinah Arabic Grammar books with examples only from the Quran. This way you save time and learn Quran and Arabic at the same time so that you will quickly begin to understand Quran. Please join this Quranic Arabic course for 2 short videos per week, InshaAllah. I am Afifa, and today's short lesson number 3 will cover singular pronouns in Arabic. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. We have the same idea in English where we say he or she instead of the actual noun. The pronoun huwa in Arabic means he, and the pronoun hiya means she. So I is ana, he is huwa, she is hiya, and you is anta. We will talk about you a little bit more later. And these pronouns, I call them detached because they are by itself. In the future lessons, we will see how these pronouns can actually attach to other words. That is, inshallah, in a future lesson. Here's a chart to cover the singular pronouns that we just discussed, the detached singular pronouns. Ana is I. We talked about anta, which is you. Please note that anta is if you are speaking to a male. If you are speaking to a female, you would say anti, you. So they are both in English, you, but anta is if you're speaking to a male and anti is if you're speaking to a female. Hiya is she, or it could be referring to it. And huwa is referring to he, or it could refer to it if it's an object. So the same pronouns are also used to refer to non-humans or objects to mean it. So we should use huwa or hiya for referring to it according to the gender of the object. Yes, in Arabic, objects also have a gender. So they're masculine or feminine. And with time, you will get to know whether this object is a masculine or a feminine. So if you ask the question, where is the book? Let's give the answer in Arabic. And book is masculine. Okay, it is a masculine object. So we are answering in Arabic and we are saying huwa fil baiti. So here the huwa is referring to it. And we are saying huwa instead of hiya because the book is a masculine object. Fi means in and bait means home. So it is in the house. Huwa fil baiti. This is from the Quran where Allah says, وَمَا هُوَ مِنَ الْكِتَابِ. Here huwa refers to it. It is not from the book. So let's practice some more. As I said, a masculine noun is referred to by the pronoun huwa. So it could refer to a human, even an animal, or a thing. So let's practice. We want to ask the question, where is the boy? In Arabic, you say, Aina al-waladu. Aina means where. And such particles of questioning, inshallah, we will cover in a future lesson. So, Aina al-waladu means, where is the boy? So you answer, he is in the mosque. You say in Arabic, huwa fil masjidi. So, fi here means in, and it is a harf and a preposition, and we have a lesson for this in the future, inshallah. Huwa fil masjidi. He is in the mosque. Now ask the question, where is the book? So in Arabic you say, Aina al-kitabu. You answer, it is on the table. So you say in Arabic, Huwa ala al-maktabi. So note that we are saying huwa to refer to it. And this ala, it means on, and it is a preposition. So we will study this in a future lesson, InshaAllah. Huwa ala al-maktabi. So here the maktab means it is a table, but it can also mean office. So an ism can be aqil, which means it possesses intellect, such as humans, angels, and jinns, or it can be ghayru aqil, which means it possesses no intellect, such as animals, objects, and trees. And as we said before, a feminine noun is referred to by the pronoun hiya, whether it denotes a human, an animal, or a thing. So let's practice. Where is Amina? In Arabic we say, Aina Aminatu. And you answer, she is in the house. Pretty straightforward. You say, Hiya fil baiti. Now you want to say, where is the watch? So now you have to know as you learn a new word, whether it's masculine or feminine. Here, the watch is feminine. That's why we refer to it with hiya. So you say, Aina sa'atu. Okay, where is the watch? And you answer, it is on the bed. So you answer with hiya. You say, hiya ala sariri. So let's practice from a Quranic verse. So you're still not ready to translate the whole verse, but we will only look at the parts that you have studied today, inshallah. So here Yusuf alayhi salam, qala, he said, hiya. So hiya means she. Okay, and observe here where it says ahliha. So this is an attached pronoun, and kamisuhu. This huwa is an attached pronoun. Attached pronouns we have not studied today. This is a future lesson. So today we are only studying detached pronouns. So here's another detached singular pronoun, huwa, which means he. Huwa, min means from, a preposition that we will study in the future. Huwa minal kadhibin. So he is of the liars. So let's say in Arabic, where are you from, Amina? So we say, min aina anti, ya Aminatu. So note here, anti is used because you are speaking to a feminine. This is feminine you. So let's do a practice from a verse, and we only will cover the part that you have learned. So this portion of the verse says, Innaka antal alimul hakim. So here the angels are speaking to Allah directly using the pronoun anta, you. So ana is a pronoun and it means I. It is used for both masculine and feminine. So we can say ana Muhammadun, or we can also say ana Aminatu. Let's look at a portion of this verse. Wa ana awwalul muslimin. The waw means and. It is a conjunction that we will inshallah learn in the future. It belongs to the category of harf. And ana is what you have learned today. It means I. I am among the first of the Muslims. So now I'm going to go over some Arabic terminology that is optional for you to know, as long as you understood the singular pronouns that we covered today. That's all that you should know. So we studied pronoun today, which in Arabic is ad-damiru. And we said the pronouns were detached, which in Arabic is al-munfasilu. Yadullu ala means indicates upon. And jinsun is gender. Adadun is number. We studied huwa, which is he or it. And when we speak about he is absent. He's not here. So we say in Arabic for the absent, al-ghaibu, which is the third person. And this is male, which is al-muzakkaru. And it is singular that we're studying, which is al-mufradu. We said she or it is here. Again, absent, because she is not here right now. We say she. So in Arabic, it is al-ghaibatu. This is al-mu'annasu, and singular al-mufradatu. We studied anta, which is you, for masculine you, and it is the second person male, which means the person you're speaking to, the addressed. This in Arabic is al-mukhatabu. And again, it is al-muzakkar, which is masculine, and al-mufrad, which is singular. Anti is for female you. And again, second person female, the addressed in Arabic is al-mukhatabatu. It is al-muannas, which is feminine, and it is singular, al-mufradatu. And we studied I or me in Arabic is ana. It is the speaker, the first person. I'm speaking right now. That in Arabic is al-mutakallimu. And again, it applies for both al-muzakkaru and al-muannasu. It applies for both masculine and feminine. And it is singular, al-mufrad. If you are regular with watching the 2 or 3 short videos that I post per week, you will succeed in mastering Quranic Arabic, inshallah. If this video benefited you, please do like, subscribe, comment, and keep watching these short videos. Subhanaka wa bihamdika la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayka. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.